Hello, beautiful friend. Happy Wednesday to you. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a beautiful day. I hope you know that you are beloved, that you are cherished, that you belong, and that you matter. If this is your first time here, hello, welcome. My name is Olivier, and I make videos to ensure that you live your very best everyday life. I'm gonna be unboxing a package I just ordered from Susanna Chow. She is an incredible New York-based handbag designer, and her handbags are gonna take your breath away. I hope you know that all this chaos is gonna make sense one day and that God is gonna use it for your good. I promise that. It is not the end. You're not stuck. You're on your way to something better. I hope you know that there is hope. If this is your first time on my channel, I make videos on faith, beauty, and lifestyle, and I hope to really encourage your everyday life. I hope that my channel inspires you and encourages you to live your very best life. And one of the things that I love to do is review handbags. I think they are amazing. I love handbags. I love buying luxury goods, and I love supporting women, and I love supporting entrepreneurs that are onto amazing big things. Today, I am gonna be unboxing an incredible package that I just ordered from SusannaChow.com. She is a New York-based handbag designer that is incredible, you guys. This woman is amazing. Her and her mom have opened up this incredible business of making handmade bags that are going to take your breath away. I'm not hyping it up. I was so blown away when I went to New York Fashion Week. I was walking in Soho, minding my own business, and I walked by this little shop and a handbag stole my breath away. I did a double take and then I squealed with joy because I was so happy for what this bag looked like. I went up to the person and I was like, I need to hold this bag. I'm gonna put a picture up on here, because it was one of those moments like, one day I'm gonna own one of you. And today is the day. I didn't get the same color that I really liked in New York. I got a different color because I think it's more appropriate for my personal collection right now. I didn't have a handbag this color, but okay, all this to say, here is the unboxing. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoy. All right, let's do this. We're gonna open up the package and see what is inside. I'm so excited. I really am so excited. I see her, I see her, I see her. First of all, hello, we are happy you found something you love from Susanna Chow. Each piece is meticulously handcrafted with lots of love by one of our amazing female artisans in NYC. We hope you enjoy your new piece as much as we enjoy making them. Don't forget to tag us wearing your new piece to be featured on our page. We can't wait to see. Thank you again for all your support. That's really awesome. Can we do a drum roll? Okay, I have a squeal with this one too. Holy shnikes, you guys, she's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, look, this is just breathtaking. I feel like I'm holding art. I'm holding art. Susanna, you knocked it out of the park. You're incredible, you and your team and your mom. You're just so beautiful. Artists that are courageous enough to provide art for other people to enjoy. And this is a little work of art. I'm so excited, you guys. Look at this. This, I don't know if you can even tell, but in my eyeballs, there's just blingy bling. And these are pearls. You open up the little lapel that closes it, and we have a chain. We have a chain. And then inside, you can see she has her little branding inside here. That is so stinking cute, you guys. They have so many different colors in these, and they have so many different shapes. I'm gonna stand up here so that you can see it on me. Oh my gosh, oh, you're such a cutie pie. Oh my gosh. Yes, I absolutely adore. I'm gonna wear this today. I cannot wait. Let's put stuff in it. So you can actually wear it as a clutch because you can put the chain in, and if you wanted to just take it to a nice evening out, you can close it up and just wear it as a clutch like this. How stinking cute is that? Adorable. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that. And I love that it's not see-through, but it's not like, you can kind of see, but you can't. It's like, ooh, what you got in there? What you got in your purse? What you got in your Susanna Chow? Ooh, so I'm gonna stick my little lipstick. I'm gonna stick my card holder, some sunscreen. I'm gonna put in some face mist. By the way, I'm gonna spray this on. Oh, it's all gone. Oh, no. Isn't that the worst? Oh man, but still, okay, we're gonna try it on, okay? Just for size. Okay, it does fit. And let's close it up, see if it feels secure. Yep. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is super beautiful. I feel like I'm dreaming. This looks so incredibly gorgeous. I am in awe. I am in awe. Okay, here's the thing. The only thing that I'm wondering about is that you can kind of see all your stuff, and sometimes you don't want that to happen when you're wearing like an all white outfit and then you want it to look super white. So I wonder if you could put in something inside to make it like a little liner or something so that you don't notice the color here. I'm gonna try, and I could probably make a cute little liner for it from Joann's or something, but I'm gonna put some paper towels in there because sometimes you just want it to look all white, you know? Okay, so I'm putting some just paper towels in there. And yeah, that created a little more of the white vibe. So if you wanted to, if you get this and you don't like for it to look see-through-y, I don't mind it. But I'm sure if there's an outfit that I'm wearing that I'm kind of wanting the back to look just very white and opaque and not see-through, I can just line it with, probably go to Joann's and then just line it. But if not, then I could just rock it the way that it is. Again, we're doing phone, cards, sunscreen, lipstick. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty, you guys. And she has a black one of this. I think I want to get the black one, and I want to get a red one. Look at this. Look at the detailing, you guys. In my own eyeballs, I don't know if you can pick this up or if the camera's picking it up, but it literally is like sparkly. It's sparkly. Look at that. Look at the sparkle in the mirror. Like, that is what it looks like in real life, like in my real eyeballs. That is what it looks like. Yeah. This is a work of art, you guys. So beautiful. Look at the detailing of this. Ignore my grown out gel nails, okay? Ignore that, because I'm about to take them off today. But to pay attention to the detailing of this bag, it's gorgeous. I cannot say enough good things about it. The only thing is that right here, there's nothing stopping things from falling out. So I put it on and I bent down like this to grab something and something fell out of it. So definitely keep in mind, and it's super easy to carry. It feels very comfortable. It doesn't feel scratchy or anything that's gonna be abrasive towards me, except for the fact that I'm gonna need to be careful with what I keep in here, and even possibly making sure that I get a little something that has a zip closure to put in here if I have something of value that I don't want to fall out. So I am definitely gonna look for maybe like a little bag to go in here that is a little zip lined bag to put in here to actually put all the stuff that I need. I'm gonna leave the dimensions of the bag. Just for reference, I am 5'1¼ and you saw how this bag fits me, so just take reference to that. They have a lot of different chain lengths in her website. They have crossbody, they have a ton of different bag options and colors, you guys. Thank you so much, Susanna Chow, for making such beautiful art for us to carry. And I'm gonna leave a link to her down below. And that is it, my friends. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing of my Susanna Chow handbag. I pray that you know that you belong and that you are enough I hope that you know that you are enough. I love you so much. I'll see you next week. Adios. Adios.